What's up, Kevin? What's up, Tommy? I got a major update. The game board is complete. Watch this. We got 8 players. And watch this. You could select any player. They come on the board, right? So watch this. Select the player. They come on the board. Then you could select any landing spot and they go there. Or say if I'm done with him, I could put him back. Right? And then we could bring all players on if we want. The thing is, see now he activated. So if I want to move him again, I have to click this play button. And now I can move him, right? And I didn't design the landing spots because I was thinking we could talk about that together. But what I did do, for example, each landing spot, each player has their own little pop-up for each landing spot. So like right here, you gotta click him. If I click away, that goes away. I click him, you get that, and then you could close it, right? Each landing spot is different for each person. But right here, it's always gonna talk about 2022 and ChatGPT, right? Activate them, then I can move them. And then the board gonna go from here to here. And all 8 players can come on the board. So it's like, only thing we need to do, oh, I forgot to show that. Only thing we need to do is come up with our plan. Like I put the sample information inside of these text box when you click a player, right? You see this says his name, and then let me move him. What? Let me move him. Then let's put him in that same spot. And then it's going to say his name. So each landing spot identified works with that player. So what I'm thinking is whatever symbol was something we put on the landing spot, then that information backs it up. So it's like that's not really finalized. I just put sample data there. And that's something we could work together as a team. So you basically click this circle to move that player to make them active. And then over here, this is the whole build. It's a prototype. Each person have their own individual board, right? That's how I had to do it. We get each person their own individual board. On this one, the individual board, they got arrows for going back and forth, but you can still click a landing spot and go straight to it. Because just clicking here is a slow process. Even though that's what we want you to do one by one, it's still a slow process. And then each player got their own individual. And then as I build it, I started with 2 players, then 3 players, then all the way up to the full 8 players, right? Put them on. If you done with him, you could just put him back off the board. And then these 4, I made charts for them too. So it's up to y'all. Y'all want to finish working together and get this done before the next semester start. We got like 5.5 weeks or something. The work is done. It's just putting our research, visualizing our research. Like we could still change this center top. But the way I made it, like see, this is the prototype. This is the first open AI one. And the way I made it, whereas the ones, these is the free mode. That's the one, the free mode. So it's an individual, then it's a free mode. That's the pattern going down. Individual, then it's the free mode. So the free mode only got 3 different boards because I use variables to make it easier, right? And so the free board only got 3 boards. So that means we changed this scene 3 times. We could have a 2016, a 2022, and a 2026. And I'm thinking right here in this spot, we could put the text free future research, right? So this side right here represents future research. We're not activating that side, right?